Assalamualaikum, my name is MEGAPUTRIYANI binti AZWAR. My student ID is D202010926992. Today I want to talk about cosmetic. Do you know about cosmetic? The word cosmetic derived from the Greek word cosmos, a Norman, which was later added to the French language as a cosmetic and finally turned into the English noun cosmetic, the art of beautifying the body. There are so many experts in beauty that well known in Malaysia. We call them as beauty guru. One of the famous beauty guru is Noriana Muhammad Nazri, or better known as Noriana, the face designer. To her 118,000 Instagram followers, has a knack for beauty. Known as singer-songwriter Yuna's makeup artist, Noriana has been a professional makeup artist since 2014, working with a long list of international brands including YSL Beauty, Mystic, Fenty Beauty and more, garnering followers with her bubbly personality, beauty tutorials and bridal makeup. She's the ultimate beauty guru for all things related to makeup.
Hi, so my name is SHAHIDAH binti JAMIL. My matrix number is D2020109273. So I'm going to share to you what is the advantage and disadvantage of using makeup. But first, let me move to the advantage. First advantage of using makeup is makeup can make you look better. Obviously, using makeup can make you more prettier if you are used in the right way. Looking good can not only just make you more confident, but it also can help you in different parts in life. In fact, studies have shown that good-looking people have a more chances to be successful in their life and also more popular. Consequently, look is still the matter. The better you look, the higher chances to you successful and become popular. Even though they have more advantage by using makeup, they also still have disadvantage by using makeup. Wearing makeup it can lead to the skin irritation. This is the common problem, which is our skin cannot be able to get more air because it covered by the makeup. In turn, a skin irritation is quite common and it can make your skin worse when you remove your makeup. So that's all advantage and also disadvantage by wearing a makeup from me.
Here are a few precautions when applying makeup to maintain your skin health. First, always wash your hand and your face before putting on makeup. Secondly, you should never wear old or expired makeup. The PAO symbols prints on the makeups will indicate how many months you have between you open it and the day is expired. So you should throw away your makeup if it's expired. That's all the precaution from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is DAMIA. The next thing you should know about makeup is the apparatus you need to get the job done. First of all, you need a moisturizer and primer. We all must have heard that great makeup begins with a great skincare. So prep your skin with a moisturizer and primer. The duo will ensure a flawless base that keep in place all day. The other things you need are concealer and foundation. Then pair concealer with foundation and no one will be able to tell where your skin ends, the makeup begins. Following is an eyebrow pencil or pomade and spongy brush. As we all know, among the most important features on our face are the eyebrows. You can use a dual-sided tool or brush and sculpt perfect edges. Then we have eyeliner and mascara. Eyeliners give the illusion of thicker fringe and mascaras add dramatic length. After, lipstick. No makeup is complete without go-to lip colors. Then you will need brushes and tools. To apply your makeup properly, you will need to use the right tools for effortlessly blending your foundations, concealer and blush. The other apparatus will be blush and highlighter. It will add a healthy color and a subtle glow to your skin with a classic blush and highlighter. Lastly, it is a hidden talent. It includes blending with eyeshadow
beloved lecturer and all friends. My name is Firdaus Asri bin SANI, metric number D202010927221. Today, I will explain about what to be considered before choosing or buying your makeup product. There are 5 things that you will need to consider. First, popular brand. You should consider looking for a high reputation brand with a tested product. The company with a popular brand also has a quality product providing effective service to its customer. Second thing that needs to be considered is the price. Before you go to the market, have a realistic and sustainable budget. It is through your budget that you will find it's possible to buy skincare product that you need. The third consideration is find the best store in the market. You should not only a few can serve and help you to buy the right product. Therefore, you must find the right store to buy the right skincare product. The fourth, you need to know your skin type. By knowing your skin type, you also get to buy the product that help meet your objective. The knowledge you have about your skin type will also help you to avoid buying product that can harm you. And last but not least, the fifth consideration. Determine what you need. Your needs should influence the choice and decision to buy skincare product. It is crucial to understand that the target for skincare product is different from the use. Before purchasing skincare or beauty product, be confident they will serve their purpose. Do not buy skincare product just for fun.
Hello, my name is NURATHIRA HAZIYA binti Muhammad HASERI with matrix number 202010927551. Today, my friend and I will be doing was a very simple step-by-step makeup tutorial. Alright, let's get started. Okay, the first step is primer. The purpose of primer is basically a base of your face and it will help your makeup last longer and look smoother. The primer that I'm using right now is Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. What you have to do is just put it all over your face. Just put it all over your face. Step number 2 is foundation. The use of the foundation is to cover all the imperfection on your face like beauty marks, acne scars and anything you don't like. Today I will use this foundation. So you can apply the foundation with a puffing brush or use a beauty blender. So I will pump the foundation first on my hand before applying it on my face, okay? So I will use beauty blender to dab on my face. Cover all the imperfection that you don't like on your face. Okay, that's all from me for base makeup. Thank you for watching.
So I'm going to show you how to contour your face with simple makeup. Let's go! I want to conceal and highlight my face using Tiny Concealer in Vanilla. Tips for conceal your face is you must wear the more bright color than your skin. For concealing, I just apply it to the area that I want to bring forward and it can create the natural glow. First, you can put it under your eyes. Okay, and then I usually make a triangle sort like this. Also in the side. So next, I also like to bring my chin forward. Then I will put here a little bit. After that, I want to put on my forehead. Lastly, on the bridge on my nose, but just a thin line. At the end, I'm just going to blend it into my skin using a tapping motion because I don't want to shift move the concealer too much. And you can see once it's blended out, it can make a dimension to your face. So this is the lighter part. And then next we are going to contour your face. Contour is you must use the more dark than your skin. So I will use this color, mocha. You can contour under your cheekbone and then you do fish sucking space like this. Okay? Just place it into the hollow in the gap. After After that, contour the nose. Just draw the two lines for nose like this, from top to bottom. Okay. So another side, and then using my hand, you just tap like this. Also same this side, so my nose can look fairly skinny. Okay, so settle for contouring part with a simple makeup, and then you can notice that your face look more slimmer and also sculpted.
Now I'm gonna show you how to make your eyebrow. First, I'm going to outline the outer of my brow, starting off from the center right before the arch and working my way towards the tail of my brow. Next, I'm gonna fill in the area, those lines that I created before, starting off the center of the right before the arch and towards the tail. For the last touch for my brows, I will take some concealer and conceal around the brows to make it clean and sharp. So this is the final touch of my brow. The right side have some makeup and this is not have makeup on it. After I'm done doing both of my eyebrows, I will move to eyeshadow. I will take the lighter shades of brown here and blend it on my crease. Next, I will take the same color and smudge it along my lower lashes. Connect the color and the lower lashes to the rest of the color I have done in my crease. Okay, here is the final result of the brow and the eyeshadow.
Now that we are good with the makeup base, contouring, eyebrow, eye makeup, we continue with the blush and lipstick. My name is DAMIA ELMAN and I'm going to show you two different ways of wearing blush because blush changes your face shades. First, use the brush to get your powder blusher and put it onto the apple of your cheek and pull it all the way through, then blend it properly. The second way I would do on my left face side so that you can see the difference. The same thing, get your powder blusher, but this time, your starting point will be from your cheekbone to your temple area. Then blend it. As you can see, the first method shortens the face and it is suitable for oval and diamond face shapes. Meanwhile, the second method lifts the face and it is suitable for round, square and heart face shapes. Then for lipstick, first cover up your natural lip line to have a clean base. Followed with pinkish lip tint, color on the inner half of both upper and bottom lips. Then use butter color to color the rest of your lips. There you go, we have now completed the blush and lipstick steps.
The last step is applying powder and finishing spray. Take your pad or brush and gently tap it around your face that you have applied your makeup with. And then take your finishing spray and spray it around your face so that it will have full coverage of your face. By applying this final step, it will make your makeup last longer. That's all from us. We hope that this tutorial will help you. Thank you.